I really hate to ask, but if you enjoy our videos, please give us a thumbs up. That's how YouTube determines if our videos are seen or not. And also, if you have subscribed in the past, please be sure you're still subscribed. Some kind of anomaly going on with YouTube, and a lot of the creators are complaining about the same thing, that subscribers are just no longer there. We're here at John's house, and we're going to do some tilling. There has never been a garden here before, so we're going to be tilling up sod grass, and we'll go over it several times and try to get this looking good so that these good folks are ready to plant. So he's got it all delineated out with some paint, so it should make it pretty easy. Looks like he's got it cut down short too. That's smart. So never been a garden in this area before then?
No, we tried one in the back, and it was just too wet.
Are you bringing soil in?
Yeah.
So we hope you enjoy this video. So this is about the economics of owning a tractor and doing work for other people. I can tell you, from the minute I pulled out of the barn until I was back at the barn, was about just shy of 90 minutes. And I want you to see the work that was done, and at the end of the video we'll talk about how much did I make. And that'll give you a good idea of some of the possibilities of owning a tractor and, you know, earning some extra income. So hope you enjoy this. Now, as I said earlier, this garden, well, actually it was never a garden. So I'm going over turf grass, and you'll see I'm going to till it in 3 different directions. You know, it doesn't come out quite as pretty when you've got virgin ground that you're turning into a garden, because you've got all that thatch that comes to the surface. But I can tell you, John and his wife were extremely happy with the results, and they're going to have a beautiful garden. So this being the third pass, it becomes pretty evident that it's turning out pretty good. And as you know, when you come to the end of a row, you leave a sort of furrow. So at the top and also especially at the bottom, we've got that furrow dug, and then you're going to see how I'm going to clean up those edges to minimize that, and just gives a better overall appearance and lets the customer plant all the garden, not just within a few inches from the edge. All right, see if we can clean this up. Get a nice straight edge on it. Check out the far side, make sure it's okay. And I don't like it, I'm going to clean it up. So how much did I make on this job? Well, first of all, from the time I loaded the tractor, got the trailer hooked up, got over to the job site, did the job, loaded up, came back, total less than 90 minutes. I charged the customer $300 for the job. Some of you may think it's a lot, some of not enough. But I just think the pure economics of doing tractor work, fuel, insurance, etc., possible breakdowns, to me, you just have to make it worth your while to go out and do the job. And nice people, I think they'll be regulars. And well, I sure had fun doing the job. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and God bless you all. We'll see you next time on Tractors in Life.